Sealing and polishing machine tutorial. Turn on the 220 volts power supply. Put on the air pump. Open the top lid of the gelatin pot. Check the amount of glue in the glue pot. Adhesive used 150 degrees medium temperature granule mixing adhesive. This mix of solid and transparent colors. Add pellets until the pot is 3/4 full. Cover the top of the gelatin pot. Turn on the machine power to warm up. The top shows the actual temperature in the gel pan. After the actual temperature reaches the set temperature, reheat for 3 to 5 minutes. Only then can you turn on the governor switch. Prevents motor damage caused by uneven melting of hot melt adhesive. Waiting for the warming process, we thread the edging tape through the edge banding with adhesive side facing in. Just pass the height limit through the red wheel and send it to the cutter. Limit height 1/2 mm above the edge banding. Fastening good import limit height. Setting the exit height limit. The height limiters face inward. Also 1/2 mm above edge banding. Tighten the height limit. After the warm-up is complete, open the governor square switch, regulating speed higher than 50 or more, favorable to prolong the life of the motor. With the governor switch on, Gumbo starts to run. Turn on the trimming switch. Turn on the polishing speed control. Adjustment of different speeds according to the plate. She touches microswitch for tape feeding. Leaving the microswitch for tape breaking. Demonstration of linear operation completed. The following alien operation is performed. First, remove the 4 screws at the 4 corners of the disc. After removing the screws, remove the platen wheel. Rotate the disc. Loosen the adjusting knob for the amount of adhesive to be applied to the edge band, getting the edging tape coated with adhesive. The following is a demonstration of the operation. Depress the foot switch to start feeding the belt. Release the foot switch for belt breakage. Demonstration of alien operation completed.